How to return items to Shein. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can return items to Shein, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you'd like to return items to Shein, it's actually quite simple, but it also really depends upon what stage or what condition your product actually is in, because if it's already been past the return or the refund policy, such as over a week or over a month, depending upon the company or the policy of that company, you will not be able to return the product. However, if it's just been a day or two, then you purchased it and you just received the order, you're not satisfied with it, in that case go ahead and launch a Shein application. Once you launch a Shein app, what you want to do is just tap the me icon from the bottom right of the screen. Once you tap the me icon, right under the my orders page, you'll be able to find the view all button over here. Make sure to tap the view all option, and when you tap on the view all option over here, you'll be able to see a list of orders you've made. Once a product has been specifically shipped to you, you'll find other information here where you'll also find the option to return the product. When you tap on that option, it will take you to the page where you can follow the instructions to return that product specifically. This way you'll be able to go ahead and return items to Shein. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.